Lesson 1, Grammar. In this lesson, you will be able to learn the three following patterns. 1.
Noun 1は Noun 2です。
2. Noun 1
は
Noun 2.
じゃありません。
3. Noun 1
は
Noun 2.
ですか
Noun 1
は
Noun 2.
です。
1. Noun 1
は
Noun 2.
です。
Particle.
は
This particle indicates that the noun before it is the topic of the sentence. The speaker forms a sentence by adding wa to what he or she wants to talk about, and then makes statements about it. Examples. 1.
私はマイクです。
I am Mike. 2.
私は会社員です。
I'm a company employee. 3.
キムさんは中国人です。
Mr. Kim is a Chinese. 4.
キムさんは医者です。
Mr. Kim is a doctor. Note that the particle ha is read as wa. 1.
Noun 1は
Noun 2.
です。です。
Nouns used with this work as predicates. Besides indicating judgment or assertion, this also shows politeness towards the listener. This inflects when the sentence is negative or in the past tense. Examples. 1.
私はマイクです。
I am Mike. 2.
私は会社員です。
I'm a company employee. 3.
キムさんは中国人です。
Mr. Kim is a Chinese. 4.
キムさんは医者です。
Mr. Kim is a doctor. Noun 1.
は
Noun 2.
じゃありません。
2. Noun 1.
は
Noun 2.
じゃありません。じゃありません。
Is the negative form of this.
じゃありません。
Is often used in everyday conversation, while
ではありません。
is used in formal speech and writing. Examples. 1.
サントスさんは学生じゃありません。
Mr. Santos is not a student. 2.
サントスさんは中国人じゃありません。
Mr. Santos is not a Chinese. Noun 1.
は
Noun 2.
ですか
3. Noun 1.
は
Noun 2.
ですか
1. Particle.
か
The particle ka is used to express uncertainty, doubt, etc. on the part of the speaker. A question can be formed simply by adding ka to the end of the sentence. A question usually ends with a rising intonation. 2. Question asking whether a statement is correct or not. This type of question is formed simply by adding ka to the end of the statement, leaving the word order the same. The reply begins with
はい。
if the statement is agreed with, and
いいえ。
if it is disagreed with. Examples. 1.
サントスさんはアメリカ人ですか
Is Mr. Santos an American?
はい、アメリカ人です。
Yes, he is an American. 2.
サントスさんは先生ですか
Is Mr. Santos a teacher?
いいえ、先生じゃありません。
No, he is not a teacher. 3. Questions with interrogatives. An interrogative replaces the part of the sentence that states what the speaker wants to ask about. The word order does not change, and ka is added at the end. Examples. 1.
あの方はどなたですか
Who's that person?
サントスさんです。
That's Mr. Santos. It's quiz time. Let's recall what we have learned in this lesson. Give me at least 2 sentences using the 3 patterns in this lesson. Use the given information above. Write your answers on the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please do support my channel by subscribing. See you on my next video.